Hello YouTubers, 2008 Honda Ridgeline driver's side headlight is not working, so we will be replacing the bulb. Usually if you do one side, I recommend doing both. This time we're doing just one. So the replacement part is 9003 H4 bulb, and to get the old one out, it's quite a simple job. So first you remove 3-pin connector, just pull it towards yourself, wiggle it out, just regular 3-pin. Then remove this rubber seal around, just pull by one of those ears. So this seal goes around the housing and around the bulb in the middle. Then there is this ledge that holds the bulb. So basically you press it in, lift it up and open. Now you get the bulb out. So when you work with the new bulb, make sure that you do not touch this part by any circumstances, because your hands will leave grease and grease will burn, and heat it up and let it burn. So we'll get this removed and installed the way we removed the old one, and make sure that we don't touch the glass. So here we go, here's the new bulb. This tab sticking out goes all the way 12 o'clock, so this is the way it will go in, and make sure do not touch the glass. So now this one is in. We will just use this ledge to place it back, and I need... Sorry for the noise, there was an emergency apparently. The bike got stuck. Anyway, so now when the bulb is installed, we will put the seal back, make sure that it all nice and tight all the way around the housing and also around the bulb. So now we'll just push this inner piece around the bulb. So you want to see your bulb terminal sticking out, and now we'll grab our connector and push it on the bulb. And that's it. It's quite a quick job. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and do it yourself.